Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday and welcome back. I just wanted to go through our day with you, starting with science. Science, we are going to learn about the water cycle, and this is due Friday. The first thing here is a PowerPoint about the water cycle. You are going to watch a brain pop video on the water cycle. The next one is going to be a Go Noodle, which is going to have a song and a dance for you to remember the steps for the water cycle. This is going to be a scholastic activity, again, reviewing the steps of the water cycle. I'm going to need you to go to Freckle, where you're going to answer some reading comprehension questions. Finally, there is going to be 2 experiments for the water cycle. Again, these are completely optional. The next part is going to be social studies. For social studies, you are going to learn about the Southeast. We have Nashville. You are going to learn about the Smoky Mountains in North Carolina and Tennessee. We have Charleston, South Carolina. You have New Orleans, Louisiana. And you have Miami Beach, Florida. Your questions are going to look like this. You are going to have 5 questions here. And don't forget your last open-ended question. For ELA, we are going to be doing a Scholastic News. On the second slide, you are going to watch the video and learn how to sign in to Scholastic News. Your next slide is going to be the link to get to it, and you have Mrs. Gonzalez's and Mrs. Powell's class code. For Scholastic, when you get in, remember that anything that has a circle and a click here is going to be a video. There's also an awesome feature called Read Aloud, which will read the assignment to you. Additionally, for writing, you are going to learn how to do a how-to writing, also called procedural writing. This is going to be a couple of slides to review with you what is a procedural writing and what is included in a how-to writing. This is a hilarious video that is going to show you the importance of giving clear directions. The next part is going to be your turn. You are going to teach us how you eat an Oreo cookie. So everyone eats an Oreo cookie differently. If you say you don't eat an Oreo cookie, I need you to pretend that you are eating an Oreo cookie and you're going to tell me the steps. You are going to write the steps here. The next slide is going to be a couple of reminders about being specific, going in chronological order, and using some transition words. Finally, we have math. Math, we are going to continue with estimating and rounding. The first couple of slides are going to be reviewing rounding with you. Then we are going to practice doing some estimating sums. Remember, sums is the answer to an addition problem. You are going to then have towards the end, there is a game for you to play. You're going to have 2 activities. One of them is going to be an estimating practice that looks like this. We are asking you to round to the nearest 100. So 354 rounded to the nearest 100 would be 400. And then you have 723 rounded to the nearest 100, which would be 700. It says, what is the sum? So then I will add these 2 up, and I get 1,100. Please complete the rest of them and turn it in on Teams. There is also a practice buddy for you on Envisions. Please don't forget to sign in and complete that. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Mrs. Powell or myself. Have a great day.